when it comes to the process, there are many things that we are into currently. So what we have done is what Harsh was saying, pre-COVID and post-COVID. I think it's important to understand the situation and how it is going to be, post the lockdown, and how we are going to behave, right?
Okay.
Because the behavior of consumers is going to change, and we also need to actually bring in those processes to suit the customer experience journey, right? So in that space, what we have done is we have looked at more customer engagement at the store level. So how do you build that for your people, and more so in the understanding space, so earlier on, when a customer used to walk into the store, probably you'll ask saying, what's the need, what do you want, etc., right? But now you really need to understand, first of all, you have to make the customer feel safe, and then when you are actually seeking inputs, you have to dive into the pivotal events for the customer, okay? And that's something that we are seeing is going to be very, very important, because if I have come for jewelry, I would like to understand, that what kind of jewelry have you bought before, where have you been buying, what are the instances, why are you buying now, what are the other events where you would think of buying a jewelry, which otherwise these questions are not asked, so they will not ask these questions when somebody is walking into the store. So what we are saying is that the store staff will have limited walk-ins. We are also seeing that pattern happening, so a couple of our stores have already opened, and in a week's time, what we have realized is that we are having only some 20-30% walk-ins. So we really need to make the most out of the walk-ins which are coming into the store, right? So customer engagement becomes so important. So all our processes are in that space, how to improve that customer engagement, as far as the front end stuff is concerned. The second aspect there is the new channels which are emerging, right? So while the customers have been sitting at home, they have been busy browsing, and they are more used to actually buying online. And in that space, how do you integrate each of your stores to become more omni, how do you cater? And that's a new language for our frontline people, because one of the things that we saw during Akshaya Tritiya is that they were finding it difficult to chat, while they are good people, they can speak well, but they are not good with their chatting skills. So we just thought that you have to build something for them in the chat space, because that clearly defines the brand, right? So if you're not using the right language, or if you're not typing in the right words, or if you don't know how to actually chat on on a platform, or on email, then it can be detrimental to the brand. So these are new things that we are identifying now, okay? And we really need to build on the knowledge in that space for all our people, because one is fluency, second is templatizing some of these to build the processes that we are envisaging. And those are the changes that are expected, because while you have created an SOP and all that for the stores to follow, it's also important to look at the new behavioral changes that the customer is going to bring in front. And how do you understand that, and how do you react? That is more important for us.